I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials: a 3mm hook, black and white yarn, safety eyes, stuffing, and a tapestry needle. Once you have materials, make a magic ring and work 6 single crochets into it. Pull to close. This prevents a gap. Then increase by 6 stitches each round to build a smooth dome. Make sure to mark the start of each round so you count accurately. This is critical for symmetry as you scale the head size. Continue by forming the head details and body. Attach safety eyes through the head where you want the black patches, then crochet patches around them or change yarn color carefully to avoid lumps. For the body, increase to desired width, then use single crochet 2 together for tapering. Decreases change shape quickly, so count after each round. Make 2 arms and 2 legs separately, stuffing them lightly as you go for bendable limbs. Once done, confirm all pieces match in size before assembly. Finish by sewing parts together. Position limbs and ears symmetrically, then join with a tapestry needle using a neat whip or mattress stitch so seams sit flush. Stuff the head firmly but not overfilled. Too much stuffing distorts features. Close the final hole with invisible decreases and weave in ends well. If seams gape, restitch along the gap and add a small stitch inside to anchor yarn. This quick repair prevents unraveling and keeps your panda tidy for handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.